Hello and welcome back to again in your second video of coordinate geometry. So here we will start exercise 3.2, but before that we will have some information that you will get. So what is that? Very first, this is your xy plane. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. So how you will denote in this? You will denote it, so you can see in your xy plane. So there are four parts. So whenever you x-axis is cutting y-axis, it divides it in four parts. So four parts means this is first quadrant. So this is known as quadrant. So this first part is known as first quadrant. Okay. And this is known as second quadrant. And this is known as third quadrant. And this is known as fourth quadrant. Okay, so there are four quadrants in xy plane. So next thing is, if I say just 1, 2, you have to denote 1, 2 in Cartesian plane. So 1 always should be in x-axis and 2 always in y-axis. Always they will come in order. Okay, so 1, 2. To 1 you will see in x-axis, to do perpendicular, and 2 y-axis. 2 y-axis plus 2 है, तो यहाँ से perpendicular draw करोगे, तो this is the point. Okay, so this point is 1, 2. Okay, same way if I'll say minus 2, 6 and minus 2, 3. So whereas this minus 2 should be in x-axis and second thing should be in y-axis. So minus 2 in x-axis, axis में minus 2 और y-axis में 3, y-axis में 3. तो इन दोनों को perpendicular, यहाँ से perpendicular इस direction में, यहाँ से perpendicular इस direction में. So this point you will get, this is minus 2, 3. Okay, so again I'll get 0, minus 1. X-axis में 0. This is x-axis. 0 is in x-axis. यहाँ से perpendicular draw करेंगे या इस direction में या ऊपर वाले direction में. Then minus 1 in y-axis. तो यहाँ से perpendicular draw करो. कहाँ को? minus 1 y-axis. माइनस तो 1 से हम यहाँ को perpendicular draw करते हैं. इधर उधर तो जगह ही नहीं है. तो 0, minus 1 यहाँ पर मिलेगा. ठीक है? 0, minus 1. And this is 0, 0. 0, 0. This point is x-axis में 3. और y-axis में देखो perpendicular y-axis में कितना हो रहा है? 0. 0, 0. ये point कितना होगा? x-axis में कितना है? perpendicular draw करो x-axis में 0. और y-axis में कितना है? 4. ठीक है? So these points are denoted like this. Now what we'll do? What this is known as x coordinate, and the second one is always known as y coordinate. This is known as abscissa and this is known as ordinate. Sometimes they are known as by these names also. Generally we are saying this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and sometimes we say abscissa, that means the x coordinate, and ordinate is y coordinate. Okay, so this information should be there for the second exercise. So now we will start your second exercise, exercise 3.2. Okay, now I think it will become very much easy to you. Now the intersecting point always is known as origin. This O is always known as origin. ठीक है? तो O हमेशा origin होता है. So now come to exercise 3.2. So what is exercise 3.2? First question is, write the answer of each of the following. So exercise 3.2. First question is, first part, what is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in a Cartesian plane? What is the name of horizontal line and vertical line in a Cartesian plane? Horizontal line का नाम क्या है? X-axis. And same way, vertical line का नाम क्या है? What is the vertical line? Y-axis. Okay. Second part, what is the name of each part of the plane formed in by these two lines? In the lines से there are four parts. What is the part of each part name? So each part is called quadrant. Okay, Quadrant. Third one, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. These two lines intersect at this point. So the intersecting point is called origin. Okay, this is called origin. Now come to second question. Yeah, it is very easy. Now you are also feeling that this is very easy. Question number 2. So now what is question number 2? See in 3.14. So there is 3.14 is given to you. Let me draw it. So this is what is this? 6. This is perpendicular is drawn, and from here perpendicular is drawn. This is dotted line. So one point is this. This is D point. 2, -4. 2, -4. This point is your G point, and 4.5 and 5 from here 5 और यहाँ पर से 4.5 पे मिल रहा है. ठीक है, this is 4.5 के. This is your C point. This is -5, -3. This point is your H point, -3, 4.5. This is -5. This is your E point. Then this is B point. 2 से थोड़ा ऊपर है. This is, and this is -5. This is B point, and it is on 2. It is meeting at 2, and same way this is D point. Okay. And there is 5 per this L point, and this is M point. Okay, so these are the points given here. This C and write the following. The coordinate of B के coordinate from C3 -5, पहले x axis then y axis, perpendicular 2, -5, 2. Second, coordinate of C point. Where is C point? Coordinate of C, first x-axis, +5. Then C, -4.5. Y-axis में -4.5. -4.5. Okay, C के coordinate. Then the points identified by coordinate -3, -5. -3 x-axis, -5 y-axis. तो ये -5 है. तो this is point E. तो we'll write -3, -5 पर जो point है, that is point E. Fourth part, the point identify the coordinate 2, -4 पे कौन सा है? 2 ये हो गया, -4 पे ये हो गया. तो that point is G point. Then fifth part, the abscissa of point D. Point D की abscissa क्या है? तो point D का पहले 6 हो गया. Point D 6 x coordinate. Okay. Then the ordinate of point H. The ordinate of point H ये है, तो ये हो जाएगा -5, -3. Ordinate क्या होता है? Y axis. तो ये this is the ordinate. -3 is the ordinate. The coordinate of point L. Point L के coordinate. तो x axis पे देखो, this is 0 x axis पे, और y axis पे कितना है? 0.5. तो 0, 5 are the y coordinates, L coordinates. The coordinate of point M. Point M. Where is point M? This is point M. M के coordinate. तो x axis पे कितना है? -3. और y axis पे कितना है? परपेंडिकुलर को ड्रॉ करो यहाँ से माइनस पॉइंट में 0. तो -3, 0. Okay. So this is your exercise 3.2. Let us directly come to exercise 3.3. Okay. So 3.3 is also easy. Let us see what is given in 3.3. And then your coordinate geometry will be completed. It is very easy. So see, only in 2 videos it is completed. So now what is exercise 3.3? Question number 1. What is question? In which quadrant of which axis or on which axis the following points minus 2 comma 4. First is given minus 2 comma 4, then 3 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 5 lies. So what is given to you in which quadrant? ये 8 points किस quadrant में होंगे? Verify your answer by locating run on a Cartesian plane. So please draw the Cartesian plane in your graph paper first. Okay? So it will become very easy for you if you draw this in graph paper. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Take one box equals to 1 unit. Okay? 2 comma minus 2 comma 4. Where is minus 2? Yes. 4. 4 is in 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-axis is plus 4. So this is your minus 2 comma 4. किस quadrant में आया? Second quadrant. Okay. Then 3 comma minus 1. 3 x-axis minus 1 y-axis. ये आएगा. ठीक है. B point. 3 comma minus 1. किस quadrant में है? Quadrant 4. Minus 1 comma 0. x-axis पे minus 1. y-axis पे 0. तो y यहाँ से perpendicular y-axis पे 0. तो यही होगा. ठीक है. तो this is minus 1 comma 0. तो ये कौन सा है? On x-axis. This will be on x-axis. 1 comma 2. x-axis is 1, y comma 2. This is in first quadrant. Minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 और minus 5 यहाँ है. So this will come. So minus 3 comma minus 5. It will be okay. So these are your location. Now second question is given to you that plot the point xy given in the following table in a plane. तो इनको plane पर plot करना है. ठीक है? Plot the points in a plane choosing suitable units or a distance. So now your table is given to you. Question number 2. What is your table? This table is given to you in a book. And it is given x, y. There are so many columns. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. This is 3. And 8, 7. 8, 7. Minus 1.25. 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1. This you have to do note in a simply. So see, we have to take 1x and 1y. First coordinate is this pair. This is minus 2 comma 8. Then we will take minus 1 comma 7. Then we will take 0 comma minus 1.25. Then we will take 1 comma 3. Then we will take 3 comma minus 1. These are the points we have to take. Let us say this is a point. Minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 यहाँ से 8 x-axis पे. तो यहाँ कहीं 8 होगा तो this will be minus 2 comma 8. Okay. Minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 comma 7 थोड़ा नीचे आएगा यहाँ पर से. तो this is minus 1 comma 7. 0 comma minus 1.25. इसको थोड़ा रुको. Then at last फिर से 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. 3 से perpendicular draw करो. This is your D point. 1 comma 3. Then 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1 is down. And दोनों से perpendicular draw करो. This is E point. 3 comma minus 1. Now what is left is 0 comma minus 1.25. अब 1.25 कहाँ पर आता है? देखो. Whenever you have seen in graph paper, you are drawing in graph paper. So this is the 1 centimeter box you have seen. Okay. So 1 centimeter you are denoting 0, 1. Yeah. This is the box 2. You are denoting it like this. So you have seen 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are so many lines, 10 lines in between them. So 10 lines equals to 1. Okay. So 10 lines को हमने 1 डिनोट किया है. तो 1 लाइन किसके बराबर है? 1/10 के. तो that means 0.1 के बराबर. ठीक है. That's fine. अब देखो. तो ये इसका मतलब ये पॉइंट ये 1 है तो इसका आधा कितना हो जाएगा? 1.5 हो जाएगा. इसका भी आधा कितना हो जाएगा? 1.25 हो जाएगा. That means 1 2 लाइन इधर से 2 लाइन इधर से इसके बीचों बीच में. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 1 2 ये लाइन होती है 1 2 फिर 5 की लाइन होती है. ठीक है. तो 1 2 1 2 और 1 2 यहाँ से छोड़ेंगे, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 सॉरी 1 2 3 4 5 है, सो 1 2 1.1 0.2 और यहाँ पे बीच में आ जाएगा 1.25, ओके। सो दिस इज 0.1 0.2 और ये 0.3 हो जाएगा, तो 1.25 इनके बीच में, ओके। सो सेम वे 0 एक्स एक्सिस पे 0, एक्स एक्सिस पे 0, वाई एक्सिस पे -1,25, -1 यहाँ पर है। इसके बाद देखेंगे 0.25, तो इसके बीच में जो एग्जैक्ट है ये 0.5 होगा। इसके बीच में कितनी लाइन्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 लाइन्स हैं, ठीक है। तो 1 लाइन कितनी होगी, 0.1 0.2, ये 0.3 हो जाएगी, तो इनके बीच में यहाँ पर होगा ये, तो पॉइंट से यहाँ पर से माइन्यूटली डिनोट करना, तो दिस इज योर पॉइंट ए बी सी पॉइंट, दिस इज 0, -1.25, okay. So now your coordinate geometry is completed, okay. Hope you enjoy the session. So next chapter we will do it next video. Keep on watching, please do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.